Well, despite the outcome, the fans showed up today with the best of intentions. As Susan Elizabeth Littlefield shows us, they were optimistic about the team and the 20 below zero weather.
What a difference a few months can make. Tailgating space wasn't quite as coveted on this late fall day.
You might be wondering if the weather scared away all the Vikings fans. Well, not exactly. A lot of people skipped out on tailgating today.
I see that.
What do you think about that?
It's very disappointing. Hey, it's Minnesota. You gotta respect Minnesota weather. So
it's a bunch of fair weather.
Get
fans.
out here, right?
If you're a real fan, you're out here.
And these are the true fans.
Mentally, I know I can go into a warm stadium.
Some unrecognizable.
Yeah, baby!
Amongst the functional fashion, some grew their own.
If you got a beard like that,
Jeez.
I mean,
Does that help?
It does help. I'm actually moderately warmer.
2, 3.
Speaking of facial hair,
We've been here since 7:30.
and head hair wasn't any safer. That's why the South Dakota resident knitted these.
A mitten koozie, keeping your beers cold and your hands warm.
Clearly, she was having fun, and so were they. On a day when there's every reason to complain, they express gratitude.
it's perfect out here for a tailgate.
We are crazy, and all of our friends will say it, but we love it. We're diehard Viking fans.
Just takes a little foresight.
Everybody likes a crock pot.
You can tell by this Andover family's fully stocked ice fishing tent.
The strategy of tailgating in the cold is cardboard, the clamshell, and the heater. And that's about it.
Those heaters, though, they can be a blessing and a curse.
I got a little too close to the heater, and now my pants burn.
So were their hopes for a win. And even though it may not be the game, these Vikes fans totally have something to brag about. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield, WCCO 4 News.
Well, fans told Susan Elizabeth one thing that made tailgating easier was that, unlike last season, they knew they'd be watching the game indoors.